Hi everyone, Annette Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and today I'm going to show you 4 really easy and quick Christmas cards. So the first one is just take an oil crayon, a white oil crayon, and draw a tree on top of your card. It's really hard to see, but it's there. If you want, you can of course draw something else, but a tree is an easy shape to draw. Now we're going to make a resist technique. Just take some sprays, water-based sprays that you can use watercolors as well, and simply color the front of your card. Now because you used oil-based crayon, you cannot paint over it. It resists the watercolors or the sprays or any water-based paint that you're going to add to the front of your card. So you're going to see the drawing through the paint. I'm going to use 2 colors, red and green. This one is not spraying, so I'm just going to spill a little bit. And again, like I said, you can use watercolors, and if you don't have watercolors, you can even use acrylic paints. Just dilute them a little bit with water, make them really fluid. So you can see the shape of the tree through the paint. Isn't that cool? And so easy and so fast to make. After it's dry, you can add a title, you can add some embellishments. I'm writing Merry Christmas and just going to add a few rhinestones. You can add stickers, you can add whatever you want. A little bit of glitter as well, just to make it a little shiny. This is pearl powder. Again, you can use whatever you have in your stash to make it a little bit sparkly. So this is a really fast and easy card to make. Isn't that cool? I really like how this turned out. Okay, so just add a few rhinestones to decorate the tree. And then we can move on to our next card. They're all really easy, really quick, really fast. No special skills needed. But they all look really cool and amazing. Okay, so for our next card, this is really cool. Okay, card number 2 is going to be also really quick and easy. And what I'm going to do, and all the cards are made with regular base cards, so what I'm going to do here is really easy. Just taking a red cardstock for my card base. You can do this in any size card that you have. And I'm going to take a 1/2 inch black cardstock strip and attach it to the bottom part of my card. This is going to be a Santa suit, Santa coat. So it's really, really easy. You will not believe how easy this is. Going to cut off the excess. And then all I need are 3 buttons to attach to the top. I'm going to add a little white square in the center. This is going to be the belt, and then a little smaller black square. So this is the belt, and now we're going to add the buttons, and the card is going to be ready. It's unbelievable how fast and easy this is. So just take 3 white buttons and attach them to the card. Really quick, really easy, great for a last minute card, and really cute. That's it, the card is done. Isn't that really fun and fast? Okay, so that was card number 2. For card number 3, we're also going to make a really fun card, but really easy. So for card number 3, we're going to take a piece of 12 by 12 cardstock and then cut it at 4 inches. So we're going to have a 12 by 4 piece. It's not a square, sorry. And then we're going to fold it. It's going to look really cool. It's called a Z fold card. So fold it in half. Like this. And then fold the front in half again towards the left side. This is the entire card. It's unbelievable how fast and how easy this is. Then you're going to need another piece of cardstock, double-sided cardstock, a 5 by 3 piece. And this is going to go on the front of the card to make the full effect of the Z fold card. So this is going to go on the front, and when you open it, it's going to look like this. It's really, really easy and quick. So apply glue only to the left side of our front panel, and then attach it to the card, aligning it in the center. And basically your card is done. All you need to do now is embellish it with whatever you want, whatever you have in your stash. Flowers, title, cutouts, chipboard pieces, whatever you have in your stash, you can put in the front and your card is going to be ready. So this is a really easy card, and again, another very fast card, great for a last minute card. Looks really amazing, but really easy to do. Let's add a few flowers. Make it festive. And the card is ready. I also added another 5 by 3 piece on the inside because my paper is really busy and dark and I can't write anything on the inside. So I just added a plain color piece, so this will be the place where I can write things, write my message on the inside of the card. So this card is really, really fun to make, quick and easy to do. So this is the effect that you get. Isn't that cool? So this is card number 3. And for card number 4, again, it's going to be a really easy card. You just use a plain white card base, punch out some snowflakes. It's a 3.5 by 5 square. And then I'm going to attach the snowflakes in a circle, in a wreath shape. So basically going to make a snowflake wreath. You can see that I've punched out shapes in different colors. So I'll have contrast. So the first layer is just attached with regular glue. Now I'm going to attach the next layer with foam tape. So I'll have more dimension to my wreath. So I just keep on adding the snowflakes, and basically this is the entire card. Isn't that easy and cool and quick to make? So I'm just going to keep on adding shapes, the snowflake shapes, until I'm happy with how my wreath looks. And again, I'm adding them with foam tape. I just love how this looks. And then you can add a title or a message or something on the bottom under the wreath and attach this square to the front of your card. So I took a 6x9 square or piece, it's not a square, and then with a contrasting color, and then another 4x5¼ piece on top of that, and then attached that white square to the card after adding a little title. So I really hope you like these 4 really quick and easy Christmas card ideas. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video so you won't miss anything and you'll be able to follow all the tutorials and make all the projects. I really hope you'll make these cards. They're great for a last minute card. They're all really easy and quick. Really hope you like them. Just adding a few rhinestones to make it a little bit more festive. And the card is ready. So thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.